My name is Elogene Otiede, and I am a professional software engineer. In this video, I will be sharing with you an exciting project known as the Fenaj Schedula project. The Fenaj Schedula project is a very exciting project. It's a booking application, a booking web application that helps users reserve spa sessions and also add available spa sessions open for reservations for other users to reserve as well. Now, this beautiful, highly functional, and engaging application was built within the duration of 2 weeks. Actually, the planned out duration or stipulated duration or timeline for this project was 2 weeks, but it was completed just 3 days before the deadline. All right. Fenach Scheduler is a full stack application. That is, it comprises of the client side, that is the front end, and the server side, that is the back end of the application. The front end or the client side is built using React. It is engaging and highly responsive as well. As you can see on screen, it is responsive to both mobile screens and desktop screens as well, and also other screen sizes. And the backend application is built on Ruby on Rails. The client side or the server side or the backend of this application is an API only Ruby on Rails application, and it is open for public integrations, open to use by the public. And to that effect, there is an API documentation available for other programmers or professionals who would like to integrate a front end or a project similar to this with this application, as it manages the database and the logics around communicating with the front end, consuming requests and sending back responses and all those logics and processes. They have been made available, they are functional, and free from bugs as much as possible. Okay, so back to the front end of the project. Like I said earlier, Fenage Scheduler is built using React and it is highly functional. And at this moment, I will be testing this exciting project with you. So first, I would need to sign out. Now, Fenage Scheduler is open to all users, whether they have created or registered an account or did or not. So for a first time visitor or a non-registered visitor of Fenage Scheduler, they have access to the home page and have access to view all the available or listed spa sessions available for reservations. They also have the ability to view the details of each of the listed spa sessions, but cannot reserve any session. And if ever they try to, they will be prompted to log in or create an account. Non-registered users can also not access the add session feature, nor view reservations or make reservations or even delete sessions. So at this moment, I will be logging in. Now, on login, I have been redirected to the homepage of Fenaj Schedula. And this time around, I will be making a reservation. So I click view details. And before I reserve any session, I would also like to let you in the know of the purpose of this button right here. It is a back button that takes the user back to the home page. So when I'm here at this detail page for this particular reservation spa session, the Seek and Certain Delight spa session, and all the details available are also in display. If I am okay with all these details and I feel this is what I want, I can reserve this spa session. And when I click reserve, I am taken to the reservation page where I can make reservations. So I'm just going to add here Manchester and then a date. So one of the interesting features implemented here is that a user cannot reserve any spa session later than the current date. So the reservations windows that's for the date is only within the current date and beyond. That's in the future. So I'm going to choose today and click done. And after that, I am redirected to the home page where, of course, I can make further reservations or view other sessions. Now, I have just made a reservation. And where can a user find that reservation made? The user can find that in the reservations page. You can find this reservation that I made, the city name, the date, the session, and also delete. The session here is responsive and functional. It is not just a text. That is, a user can click on it and the user will be led to the details page for this session. So I would be deleting this session, this reservation by using the delete button, and you can see it has been deleted. Now, I'm going to test with you the add session feature. So the add session tab, I have a form here that enables me to add a session. So as a user, I can either just make a reservation or also come in as a business person, a spa owner, and add my own reservations for others to add my own spa sessions for others to reserve. So I'm going to fill this out. Here is the name of the spa session. Then fill out the deposit. The duration is 1 month. Spa session fee, $10. Registration fee is $5. In total amount payable will be $16. However, this is meant to be automatically calculated, but it was left open to users to determine the total amount payable because of instances where there are hidden charges and the form do not really cover up all those charges. So it is left for the administrator who receives the reservations to get in touch with his or her customers or clients and then explain those details. So how, as a result, it is left open so the user can just fill out the total by themselves in addition with any hidden or extra charges. And I can add my image. Again, at the moment, this application do not support image uploads. And it is expected at this point that for a user to add sparse sessions, for a legitimate user to add sparse sessions, it means that user owns a website. So it is expected that they should upload their images to their website and impute the URL right here. So nobody could just come up here to add spa sessions, at least not just anybody that do not own a website where they can upload their own images to. So after clicking on add session, we'll be redirected to the homepage where we will find the latest spa session here, which we just added. All right. Now, one of the interesting part of this homepage for me is the slider. When the user slides to the end and reaches the end of that position or direction, the button sort of grays out, indicating to the user that they have reached the end. Both for the next button, it applies to the next button, and also the previous button. And finally, I'm going to be testing out the delete sessions with you. And on the delete sessions, user can delete any session, right? Any session. And all they need to do is click delete. And the session is out. So the user can delete the session that they own. All right, so that is it at the moment on testing Fenaj Scheduler. Fenaj Schedula is also open to suggestions, and on the next version of Fenaj Schedula, more features will be added and current features will be better solidified. But at the moment, this application is ready for use. It is very responsive, as we can see on screen. It is it is engaging, it is simple and easy to understand and also easy to use. So I would say thank you for going through this project presentation with me, and I'm thankful for your time and look forward to my next presentation as well. Thank you so much. It's Elogene Otiede, your best software engineer. Thank you.